Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Turn off the alarm. Jack, wake up and turn off the alarm. Get up. It's time to get up. Make the bed. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. Wash your face. I wash my face every day. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Brush your hair. My hair is messy. I need to brush it. Clip nails. I clipped my brother's nails. Put on makeup. You don't have time to put on makeup. Get dressed. I usually get dressed before I have breakfast. Have breakfast. I usually have breakfast at about 7 o'clock. Go to school. The boys go to school in groups. Go to work. She doesn't go to work on Saturday. Exercise. Diet and exercise are equally important. Do household chores. She spent the day doing normal household chores. Drive to work. Sometimes I drive to work and sometimes I walk. Wait for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus to go home. Take a taxi. I would rather take a taxi than walk. Work. He's been working hard all day. Take a break. I think this is a good time to take a break. Get home. Once I get home, that's for my family. Leave school. I leave school at 5 p.m. every day. Have lunch. We usually have lunch together. Take a nap. I usually take a nap after lunch. Have a snack. Her mother said John could only have a snack of waffle. Watch TV. I usually watch TV in the afternoon. Do homework. Your child always waits until the last minute to do homework. Wash the car. I really must wash the car today. Take out the trash. Don't forget to take out the trash. Water the plant. You only need to water the plants every other day. Feed the dog. We feed our dogs 3 times a day. Play with friends. Today I played with my friends. Walk the dog. John always walks the dog before he goes to bed. Go for a walk. Let's go for a walk in the park. Go shopping. I have to go shopping this afternoon. Hang out with friends. I love hanging out with friends. Read the newspaper. I read the newspaper every day. Surf the internet. She is going to eat fast food and surf the internet. Cook dinner. My mother is cooking dinner. Have dinner. We usually have dinner at 7 p.m. Take a shower. I usually take a shower before going to bed. Go to bed. I think I will go to bed early tonight. Read a book. I always read a book before sleeping. Fall asleep. She falls asleep instantly. Wake up. Turn off the alarm. Get up. Make the bed. Wash your face. Brush your teeth. Brush your hair. Clip nails. Put on makeup. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to school. Go to work. Exercise. Do household chores. Drive to work. Wait for the bus. Take a taxi. Work. Take a break. Get home. Leave school. Have a snack. Take a nap. Do homework. Take a trash. Water the plant. Feed the dog. Hanging out with friends. Go for a walk. Play with friends. Walk with dog. Go shopping. Read a newspaper. Surf the internet. Cook dinner. Take a shower. Have dinner. Go to bed. Read a book. Fall asleep.